Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to the 3D benchmark wildlife extreme stress test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus iQOO Neo 6 device. So recently I started to upload so many videos comparing both phones regarding the performance, regarding the display, a lot of other aspects. I'll definitely focus on camera point as well in the next upcoming videos because that's the only one thing which is pending at this moment comparing between these both phones. And let's check friends what's going on regarding the 3D benchmark wildlife test between these both phones. How is the stability going to be there for 20 minutes of extreme testing. And recently I did upload the video rendering speed test, so you can check out that video. All the links will be already in the description below in case if you want to know more details about the iQOO Neo 7 device. All the playlist videos, all the links will be already in the description, so don't forget to check the playlist, and that might help you all regarding deciding which phone is really the best one. And this is a 3D benchmark, and right now I'll be using the extreme wildlife stress test. As you can see, so both phones have selected the same wildlife extreme stress test, and now I'm going to do the test. And let's check the temperatures. In the beginning the temperatures are about close to 29 and 28 degrees Celsius, exactly same level temperatures are maintaining. And let's start the test, and I will be back after some time again to check the temperatures, what's going on between these both phones. So there's been a small update which I need to do in the iQOO Neo 6 device. Anyway, I forgot to show you the battery percentage in the beginning. So iQOO Neo 6 is about 50% and iQOO Neo 7 is about 46%. As you can see, 5000 mAh of battery capacity versus 4700 mAh of battery capacity. And I'll try to do the wildlife extreme stress test, and let's continue the test right now. And both phones are going on with the wildlife extreme test, and this will go on for about 20 minutes in a loop. And right now the temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Both phones are exactly maintaining same temperatures. And I will be back after some time again to check the temperatures. So there will be 20 loops for 20 minutes of time. So maybe for every 5 or 10 loops I might check the temperatures, which phone will increase what kind of temperatures. And I will be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the temperatures are about 40 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius in the iQOO Neo 7. So these are iQOO Neo 7 and these are iQOO Neo 6. You can see 40 and 38, and after 11 loops, so slightly 2 degrees less in the iQOO Neo 7 device. That's something which I did notice, but we'll try to check at the end of the test regarding the performance stability. So what's going on between these both phones regarding the 3D benchmark wildlife test. So we'll try to check what is the best loop and lowest loop, and how much battery will decrease while performing this test. So that's also we need to take into the consideration. So battery, performance scores, and the temperatures. These three things we'll try to compare between these both phones. So this is an extreme wildlife stress test which I'm going to do. And this is my first time doing the side-by-side comparison, and even really I'm interested to see how much performance difference we can get between these both processes. And I will be back after some time. So right now we're getting close to the end of the test, and right now you can see friends, temperatures in the iQOO Neo 7 increased to 44 degrees Celsius. Slightly I did say increase, and iQOO Neo 6 increased to 42. iQOO Neo 6 and iQOO Neo 7, 44 and 42. So since this is an extreme test, definitely the temperature is going to be slightly higher between these both phones. And now we'll try to see the performance stability. So within few seconds the test gonna finish. And right now the results are, you can see the results, the stability test, 86% stability and 99% stability. So stability wise there should not be any kind of issues. So as you can see friends, so that's pretty good in the Dimensity 8200 performance. And you can see the battery drop to 33% and 39% in the iQOO Neo 6 during this time of testing. You can see, so 50 to 39 and 46 to 33, and same difference regarding the temperatures as well, 29 to 45, 28 to 38. And you can see the FPS, lowest and the highest FPS, how it's increased between these both phones. So you can see the loop as well, so best loop and the lowest loop and the highest loop, how much difference. So regarding the stability wise, there should not be any kind of issues in the iQOO Neo 7 device. That's something you should know comparing with the iQOO Neo 6. So overall friends, the temperatures are slightly higher because of high performance. So high performance will definitely result in high temperatures. So but there is a difference of close to maybe 4 to 5 degrees Celsius I did see between these both phones. So meanwhile, signing off friends, is a quick extreme wildlife stress test between these both phones. So meanwhile, signing off, until then stay tuned and bye.